that we found demand of fresh fish are increasing. So this the list of the needed for next month. So you have to deal with Lawson, Silverhead as our supplier fresh fishes.
I will handle about this and respond to you as soon as possible.
Okay, yeah. Wait. If you have any problem, you can refer to me. Okay?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Jasmine from Walmart, US. I had sent you an email to your company about the purchasing order of fresh fishes. I just want to confirm with you about the order. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh, Okay, thank you. And I hope that you can cooperate with us. And we really appreciate your cooperation with us. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye.
Hello, good morning. I'm Maria from Walmart LA. How can I help you?
Hello, Miss Maria. Okay, I'm Roy from MSC Singapore. Okay, actually before this, Mr. David handled this case, but he has an emergency leave for a month, so he passed to me to handle this case until it's solved. Okay, Miss Maria, last night I have received a phone call from freight forwarder agents that one of your cargo container containing fresh fishes had found damage at LA port, and all fishes were found infected, right?
Really? How you can manage? Is this serious?
Okay, yeah. Okay, yesterday I had noticed that container damage because of that. We found that the two sides of the top and bottom of the container was damaged, which is caused the refrigerator to damage during the collision on the stacking process. Okay, so you can come to port by tomorrow morning to check this problem. We from MSC and your freight forwarder will join you tomorrow. Is it clear?
Alright. I will be there tomorrow. Thank you.
So, this is the container that I told you yesterday. Okay, as you can see, there is two sides of the tank, which is the top and the bottom.
This is too terrible. Who did this? Who did this? I shocked when I got the news last night.
Okay, relax, calm down. I know this is a big problem for you. First of all, I apologize for all this problem that happened. So you don't worry about this. I will investigate this problem and refer back to Losec.
I want you to solve this problem as soon as possible. I don't want to hear any excuse and any problem after this.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry for this matter.
Alright.
Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, today the purpose we are doing the meeting is to discuss about the damage last week that happened to our container. So Jasmine, can you introduce them to me?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Jasmine, as the executive of Walmart US. This is Miss Maria from Walmart LA. This is Miss Swilling from Longseng. This is Mr. Roy from MSC. Then this is Mr. Jackie from Jiangnam. And the last one is Mrs. Susie from insurance agent. Okay. Now we will proceed and discuss about this issue that happened. Okay. As all you knew, that one of the container that contain fresh fishes have damaged. So now we want to discuss and hear the explanation from your side. Okay, can we start from Longseng?
Okay, thank you, Miss Jasmine. On 20th of April, I have received an order from you to supply 2 containers of fresh fishes. After that, the ordering process has been done. Then I have confirmed your purchasing and I give you feedback and it runs smoothly. Then I have used Jiangnam as a freight forwarder to deliver the goods to the port. Okay, the freight forwarder has informed that the goods are safely arrived at the port at Johor Port, as I mentioned before.
When we are delivering the goods to the port, we have checked with the person who are in charge delivering it. The person told us the condition of the container was good, and I have checked they are not involved in any accident. The delivery process to the port was safely arrived.
I'm the one who in charge at the loading area at Johor Port. Actually, during the stacking process, we got the news from our workers last minute. Whereas the containers collides with other containers, we immediately called Longseng to check the accident report.
Is it right, Miss Swilling? Can you explain more about this?
Yes, I have received a call from MSC and I have sent a worker to the port to check the problem, and he told me the container not seem to dented, and he also told me that the motor refrigerator container are still function, even the container are not in good condition from external view lah.
Then why you still proceed shipping when you know the damage occurred?
Okay, Miss Jasmine, as I mentioned before, my worker said that the motor of the container are still function. So for me, it properly damaged during the shipping journey to an airport.
Sorry for the interrupt. I'm the one who checked the damage of the container at the airport, and I see by my own eyes that the container is in bad condition.
Okay, now let's move to the insurance agent. What's your opinion on this issue?
Okay, based on the agreement between you, the Longseng and the Walmart, show that the unless must be shipped by the particular routes, title and risk of damage of any goods. So he shall transfer to buyer at the time the goods are delivered to buyer's manufacturing facilities. Okay, from my observation, I discover Longseng as the employee is at fault for damage nonchalant attitude at the first container port in Johor. After the container arrived at the port of LA and caused several damage found in the container damaged goods, so the damaged good wasn't the current on board and no maintenance of the containers. The Walmart want to get insurance compensation. Actually, it's not easy as you think because they have several procedures to take this action that need to be assessed to prove that the party is not guilty and compensation for any loss damage. Based on what I see from this meeting, I discovered that Longseng are responsible in this case and they need to recover the losses that suffered by Walmart.